All right, the work continues. The underneath the bumper, you can see now it's got a coat of seam sealer, waterproof seam sealer that will harden and will never have any moisture going in and rusting the metal. All the spots that had a little bit of surface rust were first coated with anti-rust that converts to a black primer. Now it's got seam sealer. And the last step will be to paint it with a special Rhino coat, which is going to be done tomorrow, and I'll show you. The doors are ready for sanding. Same thing is in the front. Anywhere that had surface rust is now coated, besides the black primer, with seam sealer. The flares are ready. So stay tuned.